All changes sounds boring, right? But trust us, it's the simple things that keep your car happy. First things first, let's take a look under the hood. Checking the oil is key to knowing what's next. Looks like this oil has seen better days. Time for a fresh change. It will keep your engine running smooth. Out with the old oil, it's like giving your engine a deep clean. Let's get rid of all that buildup. And with the new, fresh, high-quality oil that keeps your car protected for every journey ahead. We're thorough. Every detail counts, double-checking the levels, seals, and every bolt for peace of mind. A clean engine is a happy engine. We always finish with a touch of care. All done, your car is now ready for the road. Again, better performance, smoother rides, and total safety. Take care, and we'll see you next time.